SpaceX just shattered expectations with its 100th Falcon 9 rocket launch of 2025, a jaw-dropping accomplishment that's lighting a fire under the space industry. If you think that's impressive, wait until you realize this mission lofted 24 more of the new Starlink V2 Mini satellites into low Earth orbit, pushing the technology and the numbers even further. But here's where things start to get really interesting. At exactly 9:26 a.m. PDT, 12:26 p.m. EDT, 16:26 UTC on Monday, a Falcon 9 roared off Vandenberg Space Force Base's Pad 4E. The rocket charted a southerly course, powered by booster 1088, which, believe it or not, was making its 9th voyage into space. Its resume is already packed. From high-stakes national defense missions like NROL-126 and NROL-57 to supporting NASA's SpaceX Punch rideshare. That kind of track record shows just how reusable and resilient SpaceX's hardware has become. Just under 8.5 minutes after launch, booster B1088 nailed another landing on the floating drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You. This marks the 145th touchdown on this ship and the 489th successful landing overall for SpaceX's recoverable boosters. And this is the part most people miss. Not only are launches rocketing upwards in frequency, but so are these pinpoint landings, a game-changer for the economics and sustainability of spaceflight. With the deployment of 24 new Starlink satellites confirmed, a little over an hour into the flight, the Starlink constellation for 2025 has now swelled to an astounding 1,786 units launched this year alone. Following satellite deployment, the rocket's second stage performed a disposal maneuver, an intentional deorbit burn, to safely plunge into the Pacific Ocean, just east of New Zealand. Here's a nugget for fans of stats and milestones. SpaceX reached 100 launches this year by mid-August, a dramatic acceleration from last year, when it crossed that mark in late October. Kiko Donchev, the company's vice president of launch, highlighted this ramp-up, underscoring SpaceX's relentless drive to increase launch cadence. And this is what everyone's debating. How far can SpaceX push its launch frequency, especially from California? Of the 72 Starlink missions already flown this year, 26 blasted off from the West Coast. SpaceX isn't resting. It's already submitted ambitious plans to raise its annual launch limit from Vandenberg to an astonishing 95, split between its existing SLC-4E pad and the proposed SLC-6 pad, which, if approved, could host both regular Falcon 9 and up to 5 Falcon Heavy launches, with 2 landing pads to support booster recovery. But here's where it gets controversial. Regulatory hurdles remain. This bold plan is currently grinding its way through approval channels and hasn't gotten the official go-ahead yet. Will California embrace this new era of frequent launches, or will environmental and community concerns slow SpaceX's momentum? Ask yourself, is SpaceX's rapid-fire launch strategy the future of American spaceflight, or does it risk outpacing safety and environmental oversight? Could any other company catch up? Share your thoughts below. Do you admire SpaceX's ambition, or are you worried about the consequences of such an aggressive push? Let's get the debate rolling.